Hey guys, and welcome back to another tech video. In today's video we are going to be showing you how you are going to be able to use Streamlabs widgets on any OBS software. So if you're like myself and you're using OBS Studio, you don't have any way that is built into the software itself to do things like alerts and follower goals and event lists and things like this that Streamlabs offers. Now, a lot of people would just switch over to Streamlabs, but if you're already kind of set up and you really do like the software that you're using, you can still use those widgets over on whatever software you please, as long as they let you add a browser source onto the scenes. So if you don't know what I'm talking about there with a browser source, go ahead and Google and figure out exactly how to add a browser source onto your desired OBS software. After you figure that out, come back to this video, because this video is going to assume that you already know how to add a browser source onto your software. So now that you've figured it out and you've jumped back in, let's get on into things. So you're going to go onto the Streamlabs website. You're going to log in with Twitch, YouTube, whatever streaming platform you actually use. Now this is going to make things way easier for you and be able to, count your followers and do all of that fun jazz that you want it to do. So once you've implemented it and you've kind of signed in with Twitch or YouTube or whatever you wish, you're going to be on a screen that is going to be like this. Now from here, all you're going to do is find the widgets. So here you can hit all widgets, and there's all sorts of different things. So you can actually chat or highlight chat. There's spin wheels. There's all sorts of different things. Follower goals, donation goals, viewer counts, all sorts of different things that you can add. And let's say, for example, we want to add this event list. We set up all our settings here, right, that we would want to set up, and then we can test it. And under here, we're not actually going to show you it because this is a live URL that's able to put our follower event list on your stream, so we're not going to show you here, but you can actually go ahead and click and copy it over onto your browser source on your OBS software. So you go ahead, once again, you're going to copy that widget URL over onto the browser source, and then it will give you exactly what you see here. Now this is just one example. Of course, there is the viewer count as well. We've added a green, that way we can green screen the background out of it. There's discard the changes. You can do chat boxes, all sorts of different things. Jars, which collects like bits or whatever it is. All sorts of different things that you can actually add to your streams, all done through a browser source. So again, this is more of just a spotlight. Again, this is streamlabs.com. We will link it down below for you guys to be able to just have a quick link to it. But yeah, will basically conclude it. We wanted to just kind of spotlight and show you guys exactly how you're going to be able to use these Streamlabs widgets on any OBS software without having to use Streamlabs OBS itself. Until next time, guys, we'll talk to you later, and peace.